Check out this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include air conditioning, air filtration, airbags, front, dual, airbags, front, side, airbags, front and rear, side curtain, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, traction control, audio auxiliary input, jack, child safety locks, child seat anchors and latch system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.